Namaskar and hello everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome you all on Touch a Life Foundation's World Kindness Day. I'm Radhika Adhikari, the Artistic Director and founder of Talsur Dance Academy based in Pleasanton, California. We are a dance school which specializes in the Indian classical dance form Bharatanatyam. Has always been to give back to the community through this beautiful art form, dance. We have performed at many prestigious events in the Bay Area. Our students have worked with well-known non-profit organizations, have performed at their various fundraising events to raise funds for the underprivileged, help to women who have undergone domestic violence, and contributed towards many more such noble causes. A few years ago, we were invited by Mr. Sai Gundavelli to perform for Touch a Life Foundation's annual fundraising event. I was very much impressed by the vision and mission of this non-profit organization, which is all about spreading kindness and helping the needy. Since then, Talsur Dance Academy students have been performing at the annual event. Each year we see Touch a Life coming one step closer towards its goal and mission. The event is very well organized. We look forward to working together and coming up with many more projects that will help us give back to the community and spread kindness. With my experience as a dance teacher, I would like to talk about how dance as a physical activity can help alleviate poor mental health and in turn contribute to spreading kindness. I started learning dance at the age of 7 from Guru Geeta Sarma in Pune, India, and started teaching at the age of 18. In my performing and teaching experience of more than 25 years, I found a deep connection between dance and mental health. I believe that if you are happy within, only then can that translate into you being a good human being, spreading kindness and helping others. Over the years, this became my firm belief that dance is an excellent physical activity that has very positive impact on mental health. Exercise does boost dopamine levels in the brain, which makes you happy. When I'm performing on the stage, I'm seeking, I'm searching, I'm looking for something that will help me understand and introspect myself. This is, I would call, a meditative state of mind, which gives me immense pleasure and satisfaction. To understand this concept in depth, I am taking advanced training in Nritya Yoga from a renowned dancer, teacher, and a performer, Guru Dr. Swati Daithankarji from India. I would further impart this knowledge to the younger generation, my students, also my students who are full-time working moms, balancing home, kids, and work. This will help them be happy and help them with techniques to manage stress. If you have a balanced mental health, only then will you spread happiness and kindness. This was evident with my virtual dance classes during this pandemic. Students felt motivated, didn't want to miss out on any class, and were excited to dance with their dance buddies. We worked together on many small projects which helped build their dance skills and techniques. Timely virtual performances kept them and their parents occupied. They looked forward to showcasing their talent in front of the virtual audience, which built their confidence. How can dance impact social and economic behavior and relationship? I feel that has a deep connection as well. I strongly believe that dance education has important benefits for students' social relationships. Many forms of dance are inherently social. They involve moving together in synchronization and empathy with direct physical contact. By dancing together, there is an improvement in students' ability to cooperate and collaborate. They show an increased acceptance of others and treat each other with more respect. This in itself has an economic benefit. Dance promotes many of the personal qualities that employers recognize as essential in a collaborative, adaptable workforce. Dance can also help cope with mental health during the current challenging times. As we all know, worries and anxiety about COVID-19 and its impact can be overwhelming. Social distancing makes it even more challenging. We have to constantly learn ways to cope during this pandemic, which has brought many changes to how you live your life. A lot of uncertainty, altered daily routines, financial pressures, and social isolation. We worry about getting sick, how long the pandemic will last, whether we'll lose our job, and what the future will bring. All these thoughts cause a lot of stress, anxiety, fear, sadness, and loneliness. Due to this, mental health disorders, including anxiety and depression, can worsen. We need some self-care strategies like getting enough sleep, eating healthy, limiting screen time, relaxing and recharging, staying busy, and getting some physical activity where again dance comes in the picture. Regular physical activity and exercise can help reduce anxiety and improve mood. It is highly recommended for managing symptoms of depression. Elevated levels of aerobic activity may be great, such as dance therapy. Dance therapy uses movements to improve mental health and physical well-being. The physical benefits of dance therapy as exercise are well documented, which help you to stay fit and enjoy the pleasure of creating rhythmic motions with your body. So in a nutshell, there are a lot of benefits of dance which will help one stay happy and that will help them spread kindness. I'm very happy to contribute whatever I can to the community through this art form dance. Dance has an impact not only on the dancers, but the audience as well. The audience, those are able to connect by watching the performance. When performing for the non-profit Little Tare few years back, I remember making eye contact with a member of the audience in which we didn't even need words to communicate. It was just through the dance movements, through the expressions, that communication was universal. She came up to me afterwards in tears and mentioned how this cause was extremely dear to her and how she was motivated and inspired through the performance to work towards this cause, which is inherently one of the most valuable words a performer can hear from a member of the audience. So I would like to thank Mr. Sai Gundavelli and the whole team of Touch a Life Foundation for inviting me today to talk about how we can spread kindness through dance. I look forward to working with Touch a Life Foundation on various projects in the future to give back to the community. I would strongly urge all of you to join Touch a Life Foundation, download their app, and help them make a difference in the community. Thank you everyone for joining us here today. Namaste.